Now in Messenger there is a new feature called Meta AI. This is new AI feature. If you want to chat with this AI, you can chat, you can clear your doubts, you can ask anything, or if you want to generate images, you can do that also. Anyways, in this video we'll be telling about how to use Meta AI in Messenger. For this, open Messenger application. After that, down here you can see Meta AI option. If you are not able to see this option, what you need to do is you need to update your Messenger. After that, you can see this option. Anyways, click on this Meta AI. When you are clicking on that, you will reach Meta AI page. If you want to ask any question, you can type any question. If you are typing any question and sending, you will get that answer. Now here you can see that answer. If you are having any doubt in this answer, you can ask this Meta AI. You don't want to explain everything. This Meta AI will remember your last chat. So it will be like chatting with a person. Or if you want to generate image, you can do that also. For that, what you need to do is click on this slash button. When you are clicking on that, you can see imagine option. Click on imagine. After that, you can type the prompt to create image. For example, I am typing one prompt. Now here you can see one image is generated. And one thing is that without typing that imagine also, you can generate image. For that, simply you can type create image, generate image, create photo or generate photo, etc. Then also this AI will generate image for you. For example, I am typing create image and typing one prompt. In that case also, I am getting one result as image. What most people used to do is that they will chat with this Meta AI, but if you want, you can bring this Meta AI to any group or chats. For this, first what we need to do is select any group or chat. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, if you want to bring Meta AI, first you need to type @ When you are typing @ you can see Meta AI. Just click on this, and after that, like before, if you want, you can ask any question. If you are asking any question, like before, you will receive one answer, and this answer will be sent to that opposite person in this chat also. If you are in group, every person in that group can see this. And like before, if you want to generate image, what you need to do is click on this slash button, and when you are clicking on that, you can see imagine option. Now here you can see Meta AI imagine. After that, you can type the prompt. When you are typing that prompt, one image will be generated. Like before, without typing imagine, by inviting Meta AI, you can type create image, generate image, or create photo, etc. And with that prompt also, image will be generated. So this way you can easily use Meta AI in Messenger. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.